Good morning. Happy Thursday. Hey, Star Student Emmett and boys and girls. It's Thursday, April 16th. Hopefully you're feeling good. It's a new day. Remember today at 11 o'clock, we're going to join Emmett and celebrate him as Star Student and listen to his poster. So 11 o'clock, just like how we do for a class meeting. Yesterday, I think went well. So it seemed. Hopefully, it will be another day like that. Today, we have slides and math again, so we'll see what happens. Please watch the mini lessons so you know what to expect. Please let me know if the video is not working so I could try to help out. If it doesn't, give it a few minutes. They're still working on the videos in Google Classroom, but that's all we have. So we'll do what we can. Remember, I am in reading groups and sometimes I am meeting with others, so I wouldn't be able to immediately get to you, but I do try to do it in a timely manner. And today I will be in a team meeting at 2 o'clock, so I will not be available at 2 until probably around 3:30. So leave me a message and then I'll get back with you. I'm not sure if you guys know, but Specials is having a Zoom meeting with the primary group today at 1 o'clock. And the information is in Google Classroom under classwork, and then scroll down to Specials and you should be able to see that information. And remember, Specials assignment is due this Friday. It was, and I know some of you guys turned it in already, so thanks for being on top of that. And also Mrs. Squires had a message for you, so you might want to check that out. Again, that is under classwork and the Specials place I have there. I thought I was going to get clarification on how Specials is going to work next week, and I did not. I still am in the midst of finding that out. It was not a defined decision, so I will pass that information on to you when I receive it. Today's rock stars are the Panda Panthers. Smiles, Sarup, Levi, Molly, Jaden, and Dominic were prepared, ready to share, and on time to their reading group. So I just want to say thank you very much and way to go. Reviewing for yesterday, we had 2 majorities of birthday suggestions. So it is in your daily attendance to choose, and then majority is going to win. Some of the ideas was give a gift. Some were mail birthday cards to them, which would be nice, but going out, spending money on stamps and on cards might not be for everyone. So even though those were great ideas, we're not going to do that. Send an email. That might be, if you want to, you may, but as a class, our 2 choices are going to be, the majority was singing happy birthday to them. So yes, that's what we're going to do. We just need to know if we're going to do that on Fridays at our class meeting, or if we should call a special birthday meeting and we just come together to sing happy birthday and then disband our meeting. So my only thought about this is that in the summer there are a lot of summer birthdays, so we're going to have to kind of make up for that. And then on Fridays, what if there's 2 or 3 birthdays for that week? Are we going to sing one birthday song for all 3 of them? I kind of think when it's their birthday, that we would do that. But I'm going to see whatever you guys think because it's your birthdays. And so we'll go with what you guys think. So with the question, so that was not worth a yes or no. That was just your opinion. And so we're going to go with that. And then with Dreambox, it was a fact. Dreambox is a program that we use. So we can prove that. And so I think everyone got that one right. And then I did try to stump you on the math, and you guys were pretty clever. So many people got it right, and it was 652. I kind of messed it up where I had 2 plus 600 plus 50, and instead you guys looked at the place value. So bravo, that's what I want. I want your thinking, especially in the mornings, because the other one was, again, just your opinion, what you did. And everyone said, the question was, what are the first 3 things you do in the morning, meaning you, because there is no set thing. And everyone said that they first listen to a message, either mine or Miss Haney's, and then they do the daily attendance. So I'm not quite sure if people understood the question or not, because I'm not sure. But if that's the case, great, because I think that will help lessen misunderstandings. So today, the high fives go to 23, 22, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 13, 12, 11, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So good job, especially in the morning thinking like that, because even though my name is Dawn, I am definitely not a morning person. Okay, getting on with our day now. Writing, again, we're still doing haikus. And most people had that right, that it is from the Japanese culture and that it is 3 lines. And so it's 5, 7, 3. 5, 7, 3. We need to count our syllables. We need to count our syllables. So today we're going to be brainstorming 2 haikus. You are going to you're going to do a syllable game, a new one, okay? And you're just going to do two rounds, okay? And then call it good. You're going to watch some examples of spring haikus. I think it's like 2 minutes and it has like 6 or 8 haikus, so you can see how it's set up. Then the next link will be the mini lesson, and that is showing the brainstorming process. Today you're going to brainstorm at least 15 words about haikus. Like, what could you make a haiku poem from? So remember, anything nature, that is animals, weather, locations, formations, landforms. So any of that. So watch the mini lesson and it should be pretty easy. And after you do the mini lesson, after you pick your 2 haiku brainstorming things, you're going to actually pick 2 from that, and then you're going to brainstorm those 2 things. In my example, I did beaches and clouds that you'll see. And then you're going to brainstorm 15 more words, and that's all you're going to do today. I'm not asking for anything except just be ready, hold on to that. So that has started the process. On reading, you're going to do a book flicks, and it is about citizens. So you have do unto others, get it? And we are citizens. So you're going to listen and read those two books. You're going to do the puzzles, word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. And then you're going to pick one activity about explore the web, and then fill out the form so you get credit, and share with me what you learned. Spelling, you're going to just pick one of your activities and fill out the form and let me know which activity you chose. Social studies, there's no little video of me today explaining it. We're just going to jump in, and today you're going to travel back 100 or more years to visit what schools were like back then. Can you imagine what it was like? I don't think you can. It's going to be very interesting. And I want you to think about that when you're watching the video. Watch the video, you're going to find out how different schools were and how we still do some of the same things. So after you watch the video, you're going to click on the link and you're going to fill out the form, and you're going to list 3 things that are the same and 3 things that are different from schools. They were called country schools to Prospect Valley. So think about comparing and contrasting. Okay. On phonics, 15 minutes. Some people are clicking on that they did phonics, and then I've looked and there is no time. So you are not getting credit for that. So make sure that you're logged in and you're putting in your 15 minutes a day on phonics. And that also goes with Dreambox when you do Dreambox or Raz or Khan Academy. I can see what activities are done. So please do that. And with Dreambox, it's 30 minutes. And some of you guys have already done some of the lessons. And so I'm just saying in general, those lessons have been assigned. But if you have already done them in the future, then it is already marked off your account, and you can go into other lands, I guess you call them in Dreambox, and pick what activities you're going to do for that 30 minutes. Okay. Khan Academy today, sorry, I jumped ahead to math. So phonics is the 15 minutes. Shared reading, you're going to listen or read Bigfoot one more time, and then go and answer the questions in the form about the creature of Bigfoot. Tomorrow you're going to be taking a quiz on that. And so remember, it is actually a realistic book. And people were saying historical, but it was not an event, because Bigfoot might still be around. It did not happen in the past. The fact that someone in California observed Bigfoot, that is just the fact that he did observe it, but it was not like a historical event. So it is realistic, because we do science projects. People do look for Bigfoot still to this day. So it is considered a realistic book. And then in math, today you're going to have 2 parts. You're going to do the Khan Academy, that quiz, and then you're going to do the mini lessons. I'm sorry, you're going to watch the mini lesson about doing slides again, and then you will do your math slides and share them with me. So I think it will be easier this time because we're a little bit more familiar with it. And then with the mini lesson, just taking your time clicking is going to be helpful. So I just want you guys to know you are getting stronger as mathematicians. So keep up the good work. You want that for 3rd grade. So remember, class meeting tomorrow at 11. And today at 11, we're going to learn about Emmett. So I hope that you have a terrific Thursday, and I'll see you later. Let me know if there's something you need help with. Okay, bye-bye.